Okay, today is Monday the 6th. Taking a little break from the mechanical room. We're going to turn these blue things on the pallets into raised beds today. I'm going to clean this ghetto looking area up and get rid of them. Use that material that's in there for some fill. Getting back on the chainsaw mill today while I got help. I'm going to mill out some boards here to make the raised beds. Go through my pile of lumber here that was not suitable for deck boards and use them for raised bed siding rather. Alright, more to come. Cutting slabs for raised beds. That saw's doing an awesome job. There's some we cut earlier. Okay, here's a little overdue update. Today is Wednesday the 8th. I got this driveway cleaned up. One more container over here to empty out. It actually has onions growing in it. Here's my dog eating my foam for the batteries that showed up last night. I'll show you those in a minute. Take a walk down here and show you the raised beds that me and DeMarco G built. He's on his way back to New Hampshire as we speak. It was a big help. And we moved 4 more raised beds down here. Put the cattle panel on top. I cut these cedar boards with the chainsaw mill. Tuesday, I think. Got those installed. Didn't get to knock my trees down, we just ran out of time. Lost all my flags with that heavy weather we got. So a lot got done. It looks much better over there. Covered a lot of the rocks up with the dirt that was in those raised beds. And yeah, that's it. More work getting done here. Getting ready for spring. Alright, that's it.